Grace, over here, honey. Don't get wet.
Mom, why are you so late? I've been waiting you for a long time.
Sorry, honey. I have been busy all day. Get in the car, let's go home.
Mom, what about me?
I'm not your mom. Your dad is coming. He has told me he will pick you up.
But it is getting dark. I am feeling scared.
Just wait. You are old enough. Don't make trouble.
Dad hasn't come. I have been waiting for so long. Mom, this ice cream is so good! Of course, my sweet girl. I have bought it just for you. Why are you so slow? Look at you! You are making the floor dirty. I have walked home. It was raining. Stop talking. Go change your clothes, then help me cook. I've been doing everything by myself. Yes, Mom. Hurry up, Mia. I've been waiting. Don't be lazy. Yes, Mom, I'm finishing now. Wow. It smells so good. I haven't eaten since this afternoon. Mom, can I eat with you today? Not yet. Go wash the clothes first. They've been there for hours. But Mom, I'm hungry. Yes, my dear. Let's eat. Mom, this is really good. Of course. I always make the best for you. I've worked so much, but I still can't eat.
Where is Mia? I haven't seen her.
Oh, she said she wasn't hungry. She has already eaten.
Really? She hasn't eaten with us for days. That's strange.
Kids can be like that sometimes. Don't worry too much.
Maybe...
Dad, look, I'm eating vegetables and meat.
Oh, my little girl. You've been eating well today. Do you like the food?
Yes! Mom made my favorite!
That's good. Have you been a good girl at school?
Yes, the teacher said I'm very good.
I'm proud of you. I'll buy you something nice this weekend.
Really? Thank you, Dad.
Eat more. You need more energy.
Mia, Mom said you should sleep on the floor tonight. Can I sleep on the bed? I'm still cold. No, I'll tell Mom. She already said so.
Why is Mia sleeping on the floor? She is so cold. Mia, have you been like this for a long time? This is not right. Something has been wrong in this house. I am going to work now.
Please take care on the way. Don't worry about Mia and the house. I have been taking care of everything.
I trust you.
Of course. Have a good day. Bye, Dad.
Goodbye, Mia. Goodbye, Grace.
Mia, go wash the dishes and clean the house. I have been working since morning. Stop complaining. Mom, can I have more snacks? Yes, my dear. I will get them for you.
She has been working all this time. And I didn't know. What kind of father have I been? I have trusted the wrong person. My child, you have been suffering alone. No more. Stop!
You have come back?
I haven't gone to work. I have been watching everything.
No, you don't understand.
I understand enough. You have treated Mia very badly. You and Grace must leave this house.
Please listen to me.
No more lies. Mia, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You look so tired. Have you eaten anything today?
No, I haven't eaten yet.
You haven't eaten all day? I'm so sorry, Mia. I haven't taken care of you.
Dad, I have been waiting for you.
I'm here now. I will prepare something warm for you.
Really?
Of course! Everything will be ready in 15 minutes.
It smells so good. I haven't felt this happy for a long time.
We will be happy together from now on. I love you so much, Mia!
I love you too!